Hi, it's Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and I've been contemplating something and I've come to a decision. I'm going to join, if it's not too late, I'm going to join the group build, the third annual group build of USACC. That's the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators. I think that's what the full name is. Anyway, I've decided I'm going to jump into that build. So I hope it's not too late. Videos were due on the 15th, I guess, for opening. Today's, I don't know, the 20th or the 23rd, actually. So I'm late as usual. But I thought I'm going to add even one more video to my, or one more project to my already crowded bench. So anyway, gentlemen, if it's not too late, I am going to throw in my hat into the ring. So it's going to be electrifying. That's why I used an extension cord for the ring. Anyway, I'll be right back to let you know kind of what I'm going to do. Okay, so anyway, thanks for coming back and staying with me. After I watched Matt's video, Matt over at Model Scale Videos, introduction, and I think Mark Batson at HobbyDo 007, and also Lucas C from the Lucas C channel was on the video to introduce this project. After seeing that and then watching some of the entry, the first videos, my brain started working. It started working, and it's like, you know what? If I can find the panel truck, I'll jump in. Well, I found out that the panel truck was pretty hard to find. And I didn't want one that was already started. I didn't want one that was, used and taken apart or anything. I wanted to try to find something that, it didn't have to be an unopened box, but I needed to find something that was complete. I already had one of the classics, one of these 55 Fords in my stash. So I already had one of these, but what I'm planning to do, I didn't want to use a pickup. I wanted the panel van. And I found the bootlegger in a wrapper yet. It was still in the wrapper. The wrapper was really yellow and there was tears on it and stuff. But I found this at one of the distributors online who had it in their stash. And I played around with the price on it for a while, but I did get it, and I didn't care whether it was the bootlegger or it was I think the Harley Davidson. I didn't care what model or year it was. I didn't care what one it was. I just wanted the panel van. So I got the panel van, which means this is what I'm going to be doing. Now, I'm not going to be making it the way it is on this box. For one thing, I'm not crazy about the gold on there, so I'm not going to be using that. I'm not going to be using the decals. In fact, I've got something in my noodle turning around that, again, I need to try it. If it works, fine. If it doesn't, fine. All right, this is fun. It's for the fun of it, and I'm hoping to learn a lot from the other guys in the group. So stay tuned. Down the road, you'll start to see what my plans are for this. I'm not going to release what I'm thinking because I've got two different things I'm thinking about. So I'm not going to release what I'm planning to do with this, but I will be doing this panel van, and I know I'm not going to be using everything out of this box, that's for sure. I've got some plans for the engine. I've got some plans for the interior. But anyway, hey, if it's not too late, count me in. I'm with you. I might as well add a fourth project to my bench. And since we have until January 14th, I think it is, that should give me plenty of time. All right, so stay tuned and keep watching. I, again, hope it's not too late to jump into this group build, and I look forward to sharing with everybody in USACC. All right, thanks, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you can, or if you want, even if you don't want. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, but you know, I would prefer a thumbs up. And do me a favor, if you really liked it, smack that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I release new videos, give that bell a ring and set it to all. I don't release a lot of videos, so I won't be bugging you that much. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.